So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can clear the Instagram cache on your iPhone. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open the settings of your iPhone. Inside the settings you simply need to search here for offload. When you search offload apps, unused apps, go over there, and from here you need to scroll down until you see this option again that says offload. And or you can, what you can do is just simply search for Instagram here. When you search for Instagram, you simply need to open this option, and from here you'll see this option that says live activities and background app refresh. Simply first of all disable that, and what you can do now is just simply uninstall the Instagram and install it again on your iPhone. Now once you do it, you'll notice that when you click on this option of delete app and reinstall it, it will freshly install the Instagram. It will simply clear all the caches that have stored by old Instagram. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.